I wonder what's taking so long to get into this meeting. Oh well, while I've got a few minutes, I better check that everything's on. I love my brand new Copilot Plus PC Surface Pro because of all the amazing AI features like Windows Studio Effects. I've got portrait blur, creative filters, eye contact, automatic framing, and I've even got voice focus to make sure I block out all the background noises and when Gus is barking at the delivery guy. While I've still got some time, let's check out some other cool features within the Surface Pro Copilot Plus PC. Copilot has been with the Copilot Plus PC since the start, but I've noticed this little microphone button down in the chat. Let's check it out.
Hey Shaun, I'm all ears. What's on your mind today?
Hey Copilot, I'm just waiting to get let into a meeting. I was just wondering if you can help me reminisce about a summer weekend I had at Phillip Island recently.
Phillip Island. That place is legendary, especially for a summer getaway. What stands out to you most from that weekend? The wildlife, the beaches, or maybe some memorable moments?
Well, it started off with an awesome road trip with my beautiful wife and my amazing dog Gus.
Sounds like the perfect crew for an epic road trip, Shaun. There's something special about hitting the open road with loved ones. Did Gus get up to any funny antics along the way?
He sure did. He tried to jump out of the window as soon as we got to Phillip Island.
Gus was just too excited to wait. Can't blame him, though. Phillip Island has that effect. I bet that was just the start of a weekend full of great stories. What did you guys get up to once you arrived?
We had a holiday house near Smith's Beach, so we took Gus down for a quick walk.
Nice choice. Smith's Beach is beautiful. I bet Gus loved the beach, chasing around. Did you get to relax there, or was it all about keeping up with Gus's antics?
No, we got to relax. We went down to Cowes after the beach and checked out the local town.
Perfect way to wind down after beach time. Cowes has that chill, small-town charm. Did you stumble upon any cool spots or eat some good food while exploring?
We wanted to do something out of the ordinary because we've been to Phillip Island so many times. So I actually asked you on my Copilot Plus PC Surface Pro to find a cool spot that was dog-friendly and kid-friendly.
Love that you put me to work on your Surface Pro. So, what did we find? Did I manage to help you uncover a hidden gem for the whole crew?
You sure did. You suggested Phillip Island Winery.
Ah, the Phillip Island Winery. A solid pick. Good wine for you and your wife. Open space for Gus to roam. And kid-friendly too. How did it feel to enjoy a glass of wine surrounded by Phillip Island's natural beauty?
It was amazing. There was even live music there.
That's fantastic. Live music adds such a great vibe. Sipping wine, enjoying some tunes, and soaking at the atmosphere sounds like the perfect way to cap off your day. Any standout moments from the winery that made the day unforgettable?
Gus running around making friends as usual was great. But the barbecue once we got back home was amazing.
Gus, the social butterfly. And nothing beats an Aussie barbecue to wrap up the day. What made it so amazing? Was it the food, the company, or just the whole vibe of the day?
Definitely the company. But to top it off, I set up my Copilot Plus Surface Pro and my Game Pass Ultimate subscription with a projector, and we played games outside.
Wow, that sounds epic. Gaming under the stars with a projector. That's next level. Combine that with good company and a barbecue, and you've got yourself one unforgettable day. What games did you all dive into?
Well, once the kids got involved, it was Minecraft all the way.
Minecraft's always a hit with kids and adults alike. Building, exploring, and maybe a few creeper scares. Sounds like a blast. It's pretty cool how games can bring everyone together. Did you manage to build anything epic in the game?
Not really, because we're just having so much fun as a family outside.
That's what really counts. It's not about what you build in the game, but the memories you build together. Sounds like you all had a fantastic time. Planning to make this a new family tradition?
Oh, it has been for a while now. Thank you so much for the chat, but my meeting's about to start and I better get back to it.
No worries, Shaun. Hope your meeting goes smoothly. Anytime you want to chat or reminisce, I'm here. Take care.
Thank you so much, Copilot.
You got it, Shaun. Talk soon.
Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Until next time.